First, we open this program, the download link you will find in the description box. With this program, you can run Google services first. We press the plus button and choose the program with the malfunctioning failure. With this method, you can run any program that supports Google services. If you liked the video, don't forget to support us, my friend Blake, and subscribe to this channel. First, we will explain the way to download the program. As I told you, the application link you will find in the description box in this video. If you have any questions, write me in this video. I will answer any one. And if here ends our explanation of this program, do not forget to follow this channel. When you finish downloading, you proceed to the program's installation process. When you finish installing the program, open the program and sign up for your Google account.
Moshi moshi.